Check this out. We got something cool. Looks like it's got a replaced call button. But other than that, I think it's completely original. Well, maybe the COP too, but... I think someone might be coming down on it. I don't know though. I guess this whole thing swings open. Probably if it needs to be used as freight or something. Oh, it looks like the cab was redone. Interesting. All right, here it is. Oh, interesting. All right. Let's get a look at this thing. Jeez, they butchered the cab. That's all right, though. Still pretty cool. All right, up to 6. Oh, button lights up. That's cool. It says Otis down there. Oh, wow, look at that. Different window on each floor. Wow. All right, down to B. Basement drum. That's right. As you can see, it's a former Otis. Not any, well, you know, still has a lot of has a lot of its original charm to it. And the mod is pretty old as well, so that's cool. And I like circle line. I've been seeing a lot of it on this strip, and I don't mind that. Someone in the lobby. Whoa. How far down is the basement, bro?